Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at 12 and 24-hour problems. Now the first thing I want you to think about is if we're talking about 24-hour time or 12-hour time, there's 24 hours in a day. So when we're talking about 12, that means we've got AM and PM. So as soon as we get to the middle of the day, it's 12 o'clock, 12 PM. Then it changes to 13 hours, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So when we are looking at this question, order the earliest to the latest. The first thing to make it easier, let's convert them all into PM and AM. So I know this is past 12, so I know it's going to be PM. How far past 12 it is? Well, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 plus 5 equals 17. That tells me this is 5:03 PM. If I look at 14:29, 14 is 12 plus 2 equals 14, so it's 2:29 PM. Now I've converted it, I am able to write them in order. The earliest is 14:29. Next is 4:03 PM. Third, we've got 5:03 PM. Which is 17:03. And the last is 9:20 PM. So that's the best way when we're thinking about what's bigger and what's smaller, is to get them all into the same units. So that's exactly the same when we're talking about what is the correct time difference. Well, the first thing I want you to think about, 01:45 is the same as me saying 1:45 AM. So for me, the first thing I'm going to be doing is thinking about, well, let's change 2:58 into 24-hour time. So 2:58 is 12 plus 2 equals 14:58. Now, if I'm thinking about my number line of the difference, now that they are in the same units, we're starting at 01:45. And I can jump, so I'm just going to add on 12 hours. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So I've got 13:45, I need to add on another hour. So this is where using a number line it comes in handy. So I've got 13 hours. And it's 14:45. Now, to get to 14:58, I'm just going to add on 5 minutes to get to 50, and then add on another 8 minutes. So 5 plus 8 equals 13. So I've got 13 minutes there, which gives me a total of 13 hours and 13 minutes. So that is the time difference between these two times. I really hope that helps you out, and I just really want you to think about using a number line to help you out, but also converting, so we're talking about exactly the same. You can put them both into 24-hour time or have them both in AM and PM in 12-hour time. Really hope that helps you understand 12 and 24-hour problems. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.